I often say that the extent to which we don't have what we say we want tends to be the extent to which we're resisting it. And another way of saying that is the extent to which you don't have what you want tends to be the extent to which you don't feel ready for it. So, why don't you feel ready? So, think about some success you'd like to achieve, something that you say you want, some goal you'd like to achieve that you have not yet achieved. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Now, just following your breath through your body, thinking about that goal. Think about successfully achieving it, whether it's a financial goal, a personal goal, a physical goal, career goal, whatever it might be, a relationship goal. Think about having successfully achieved this and say, I'm ready to have this success. Let that rattle around inside and notice on a scale of 0 to 10 how true that feels. And if part of you is saying, oh, it's definitely a 10, I'm going to ask you to check again because there may be a part of you that is still holding yourself back from achieving this success because some part of you doesn't feel ready. Just allow yourself to be aware of any thoughts, beliefs, or memories that might come up as to why you might not be ready. And if you're not sure, that's okay. Just allow yourself to be aware of what might be there. Take a deep breath, open your eyes, and taking full responsibility for your own well being. I choose to feel ready for this success. And I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to feel ready for this. And I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to feel ready for this. I choose to know that I have what it takes. I choose to know that I can handle this success. So it's safe for me to do what I need to do. And it's safe for me to allow myself to achieve this. I choose to feel ready for this success. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be involved in this issue. Because I choose to be that free. I choose to feel ready for this goal that I'd like to achieve, this success that I'd like to experience. I choose to feel ready for it. I choose to be open to the possibility that the reason I haven't achieved it yet is that part of me didn't feel ready. And as Hamlet said, the readiness is all. But I haven't fully had that yet. So it's not that I'm bad or stupid. It's not that I'm weak or lazy. It's just that I have some old programming that are convincing me that I'm not yet ready. Not ready to take the actions, not ready to get the results. And I choose to question that. I choose to be open to the possibility that I might be more ready than I thought. I choose to clear the fears and doubts. All this fear that it's not safe for me to achieve this success. All these doubts about being able to handle it. And as I clear the fears and doubts, I might have greater clarity about ways in which I'm not quite ready. There may be some preparations I need to make. There may be some skills I need to acquire. I'm getting ready to acquire those. I choose to feel ready to have this success. And if I'm not quite ready, I choose to feel ready to do what it takes. And I can handle it. I've got what it takes to do what it takes. I'm ready for the next step. Either I'm ready for this success, or I'm ready for the next step towards this success, releasing any remaining resistance, setting myself free to move forward in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Let it go. Close your eyes. Go inside. Think about that success you want to achieve and say, I'm ready for this. And notice again on a scale of 0 to 10 how true it feels. And hopefully that number is higher. And it may just be that you have more awareness of, oh, here's what I need to do in order to feel ready. And go ahead, open your eyes. And hope you found that helpful. And please share it with others so they can be more ready for their success. And when other stuff gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.